Bibi Hamid mzina Stephen Dick Orion zinati adna figa ile yaze tumufanya ndabejja
The True Star, of course, one Metro FM Star TV. Unakuwa ni mwana Samira. Aprisema na sababu kuza kwa tula kunyego kana basubiza kutwese 90.8 Metro FM countdown show. Babuze ko.
Abatulaba Star amanya za Samira n'abatubuliriza.
Chenda ka kuza na
Top 10 show. Chogera mtu.
Bulungi nyo. So precisamente teka tu over the kuchi.
Echa.
Musically you've been off the scene.
Not really, just because it
was about from your door
last year. No, this year actually released soon.
No, before this year, when did you last year?
Last year in September, Bubimba.
How long has it been now that these two tracks?
In Jan, just because it windy about competition. So,
competition and then it was one to two.
Yeah, and then over Wagaleta and Wakuza.
Princess Samira, management wise, as the new baby has already discussed.
Kuliko hot cake, kuliko Olio Mwana.
So, you know, who has one kind of one is what they
hot cake, one got from story. Then Olio Mwana,
Sosi Moses. Princess Samira, waba yimba, ajukiza abantu Princess Samira wasibocha wenjawulo. I feel really as if you change your watching.
Before I was young, but now I'm a mother, so you expect me
to change. So management is a teacher of the management academy before anyway. This new management. So, best example at the what you know about the movie, bring our indirect never say would you love to join a band?
I've never been in one before, but like Nangeda and never taking a 40s. Yeah, 35 to 40.
Okay. So, what does the project Ulisha
she's just my friend and my neighbors.
So your neighbors?
No, I'm a neighbor.
So costume the outfit. Outfit any power.
Najula Mamita Shakini style. Level 8.
Level 8. So I don't manage so that musically, I chose to go music. It's implemented music. So, one thing, to fresh daddy and training, fresh video training. Now I'm talking about always a Okoma Jamaban. Not to go to Maui.
Through good music. Because Olio Man is working, so because it is
okay. So, any manager?
I'm in
Raymond. Tony, are you Kayemba or Raymond? Okay, contract so put on One Love.
One Love is what?
One Love, you watch it to my agreement.
Actually, we are friends. They just working as friends between a contract.
Okay, Katuduka kapia tiko ina kala. It was showing the water.
Bakaita Kabubako.
Animal.
Jan culture.
God, this is a quadrillion boy. Oh, why is that?
I have 3 songs so far.
From here. Okay, so what was the video?
Audio already done, but needs some releasing around.
So Katuduka, wakati mwesembia abantu Samira asante wa muziki wa bookings
Oyagala okunfuna teekamu Princess Amira Uganda ku YouTube oyagala okufuna music wange naye erinnya Amira ibeere AMIRAH okola AMIRAH libafunye ojja kunfuna teekamu AMIRAH then ojja kunfuna.
Okay, ngatuduka abantu bawe kamera fetu kute.
Akoli omwana
bawe kuvaje wonna oyagala akantu ke bandyagadde okuwulira nti kayino genda mu bantu.
Olaba y'okubimba yangu wakobuyika bino bye wamanyiza tokuyita kwekosa yanguwa.
Exactly. Of course, show your furniture. Of course, I'm going to show you from Tanzania recently. Then we want to watch and make a sense of what you are tap. They can show just a tap of what I'm doing. Just in big, I want you to make a coach.
Yeah, she's a good friend, first of all. Literally, I'm
so concert you want for you take one day of being so but when can I teach you so what that you need to make a choice yes it out so fun is it
yeah, relax. Korabo ngeneja kudibamwe like no as hit ngegenda kucha. Chiba chamani like wabera webi neja jason ngenda tutanesha lamwe bale kumpakira. Ongere okumpakira mikwano. Mujagale nga wendi ebiro kibicha.
Okay, abantu bwe kapera chosen beka abala chikona kasabu kanyama. Bafune kapera ka chosen beka koneri the boss.
Na yenze saba chenaleta saba cheneta oba kasuku kobuta saba cheneta yeah
tuyanziza abali chosen beka for wali eri mu day okay azoba manaka chijangu njawuli elieta
Tenga
okay tuyanziza chosen